tell me what you're doing.
Making eggs.
What do you mean eggs?
Easter eggs.
Wow. Easter's in 1 week, right?
Yep.
Yep.
What color's that?
Green.
Cool.
Julia's over there.
You already did these? They look great. What's Tommy doing?
Try to bump into the wall. Try to bump into the wall and get out and the orange break out.
Tommy. Thomas. Tommy.
He can't see you.
Tommy.
I'll get it.
Hey.
I can't get him anymore. He's too much.
Tommy.
Let's take it out.